Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a green screen video in CapCut. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to edit a green screen video in CapCut, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, make sure you already have your CapCut app opened. And once you're on the home screen, click New Project to create a new project. But if you already have an existing project that you want to work on, you can simply select it from here and open it instead. Once you're inside your project, the first thing we need to do is add the background that we want to use. So if your background isn't already imported into the project, go to the import option and select the image or video that you want to use as your background. Once you've selected the file, it will now be added to your media library. And from here, simply drag the background down to your timeline. Make sure the background is placed on the main video track because we'll be placing the green screen video on top of it. After that, import your green screen video if you haven't already. Once it's imported, drag the green screen video onto the timeline and place it above the background. Now that both clips are on the timeline, we can remove the green background. To do that, select the green screen video and then look for the Remove Background option in the editing panel on the right. From here, select Chroma Key. Then use the color picker to select the green area of your video. Once you've selected the green color, you will notice that the green background will mostly be removed. But you might also notice that there are still some small green particles or green edges remaining around the subject. To remove those, simply increase the intensity until most of the remaining green is gone. But make sure not to overdo it, because setting the intensity too high can also remove parts of your subject and make the edges look unnatural. If you're using CapCut Pro, you can also use the Clean Up Edge option to make the edges of your subject cleaner and remove those remaining green particles. But if you're using the free version of CapCut, don't worry, you can still get a good result by manually adjusting the intensity until it fits the edges of your subject properly. You can also adjust the shadow setting to make the subject blend more naturally with your new background. And from here, it's really up to your creativity. Since we're placing the subject over a completely different background, you can experiment with the intensity, shadows, position, size, and other adjustments until everything looks as realistic as possible. If everything looks the way you want, you can now proceed to export your video. And that's it, guys. You have successfully edited a green screen video and placed your subject into a different background using CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.